16 March, the day I gave my first ever job interview. I was nervous. I had no interview experience. I had only one thought in my mind: this is my first interview and maybe my last chance. Today, I will share my complete cognizant interview experience, the question I was asked, the mistake I made, and the lesson that helped me receive my LOI. So, if you cognizant interview is coming soon, watch this video till the end. One day before my interview, I received an mail from Cognizant. It contained the interview schedule and the online interview platform. Then I had to install before the interview. All interview was completely online. After receiving the mail, I started reviewing everything I had mentioned in my resume like Java, C programming, SQL, DBMS, OOPS, DSA, coding logic, everything. I tried to revise everything. Honestly, the night before the interview, I couldn't sleep properly. The pressure was unbelievable. I kept thinking, what if they ask me difficult question? What if I forget everything? I even watch many HR interview videos on YouTube. But trust me, nothing prepare you for your first real interview. Finally, 16 March arrived. My interview slot was between 12 pm and 2 pm. I was completely ready. But there was a one problem. The network inside my room was very poor. So I had to sit on the fourth floor terrace because that was the only place with a stable internet connection. I remember it was March. The afternoon sun was burning. The floor tiles were so hot that I could actually feel the heat through my feet. 12 pm no call, 1 pm still no call, 2 pm nothing, 2:30 p.m. still no message. At that moment, I honestly thought, did I get scammed? I was about to go when suddenly an email arrived. My interview had been rescheduled to 3 pm. I was already exhausted from waiting in the heat, but finally the interview call came. I took a deep breath and clicked accept. The interviewer was a very kind lady, but the moment I saw her on screen, everything I had revised completely disappeared from my mind. I was extremely nervous. My confidence dropped instantly because it was my first interview. She smiled and asked my first question: tell me about yourself. After my introduction, she noticed that I study DBMS. Then she asked me three basic DBMS questions: what is DDL, what is DML, what is DQL. After that, she noticed I was nervous. Instead of making me uncomfortable, she actually helped me relax. That's something I will never forget. The interview became more comfortable. She asked, tell me about your hobbies, what your strength, what your weakness, preferred location, which movies or web series do you like, what do you learn from them. If you become a team leader and your team has people with different mindset, how will you manage them, which payment method do you usually use. Then she shared something personal. She told me my first interview was also scary. Relax, everything will be fine. That one sentence completely changed my confidence. The interview, at least around 8 to 9 minutes after it ended, I had only one question in my mind: did I do well or did I fail? One thing shocked me: I had spent days preparing Java. I accepted many Java questions, but not even a single Java question was asked. That day I learned something very important. Interviewer don't always ask what you prepare the most. They ask what they think is important based on your resume and the role. The interview was over, but the hardest part had just begun: waiting. Every single day I check my mail again and again and again. Finally, after 15 days on 1st April, I received my LOI from Cognizant. That moment was unforgettable. All the stress, all the waiting finally felt worth it. If you are preparing for cognizant, please don't repeat this mistake. First mistake, I focus too much on coding. Don't only prepare coding, prepare theory as well as DBMS, SQL, OOPS, operating system, computer network, everything matters. Mistake 2, my communication skill were weak. I knew the answer, but I didn't know how to present them confidently. Practice speaking, not just studying. Third, poor body language, eye contact, smile, confidence. These things matter, especially in HR interview. Fourth mistake, I underestimate HR question. Prepare question like, tell me about yourself, strength, weakness, hobbies, leadership, teamwork. Why cognizant? These are just as important as technical question. If you are waiting this before your cognizant interview, remember this four thing. Prepare your resume line by line. Improve your communication. Practice HR question. Give your 100%. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be stay calm and believe in yourself. If I could crack my very first interview, you can too. All the best, and I will see you in the next video.